All right, well, you're actually going to get 2 parts for 1 in this video. I had some flowers left from my other arrangement that I wanted to save for my teacup. So we're going to put this together and make another pretty little gift or arrangement that I could set in a bathroom or on the edge of a little table. But hold on and I'll show you how we're going to do that. Left because it does go very far. You can purchase your oasis from a florist or most craft stores. Now I'm not going to need a large piece, but here's the container that I'll be using, so I need to make sure that it stays above the container so that I have room to put the greens and the flowers in. If it's setting level with my little teacup, I won't be able to put much in that sets down to the side or to the left and right. It would just be items that would stand tall, and we really want them to create another little design as well. finished my little teacup arrangement. Can you see? Oh goodness, I'm going to zoom in here in a minute. But I still allowed some of my cup to be shown. But these were just the leftover flowers that I had from my big table arrangement. I added a few pine cones and holly. And if you have any tiny little ornaments you can add, it will just accent it. I'll probably set this in a guest room or perhaps in the guest bathroom. Let me zoom in on what we did here. You can see we used the holly. There's my tiny little snowflakes that are sparkly. Some pine cones that we just tucked in. And the different daisies. But it came out really pretty. And I love my little cup. I got that at a secondhand store, I think for 50 cents. It's just a little coffee mug. So here's another Christmas arrangement idea that makes a great gift or just a beautiful little arrangement to set in your home somewhere for the holidays.